Kenya John Bandi wite na andikirite munene wotungata bo mwingi Felix Kosgei akienda andika barua ya kulikithia werane bwa Rais William Ruto witikiria kurera andure milioni yandere mureme ngwetha tunakenda remukawa yole opandro kriare yatirwe ni muchunku umwe akiaria na ARITHI ndi bakithira bakiandikira mwerekeri wa budget kenda ethira akilikithia utubu nera anduri rithira rikiriwa kenda miru irekeru kigina kithira kikinyandene ya county una ARITHI kinya nibethire baika muchemano na gavana wa county ya Miru Mutumantu Ethingia na atongire bangi kenda kwithira bechuira utubu ntaira Anthony Kadenya na ribotie.
Akiaria mbele ya kamiti ya kigeni ya bunge ya Senate, waziri wa kigina John Bandi liwe lugo bisiani andikirite munene utungata bwa mwingi Felix Kosgei na kumuli andike gwetukira barua mwelekelo wa Rais William Ruto akulewa kwa deni ya milioni 139 ja kaunti ya Meru ge kampuni ya Leopard Rock ya France ne thirikari nene.
So we actually agreed, and I wrote a letter now to the head of public service to formally communicate the decision that was made by the head of state in terms of his intervention.
Kulingana na Mbadi wona barua ya Kenya, obisi aikandikira mubangano kigina kya thirikari na kumwelithia guteje niliwetagarira kuronga mionenkaniri bwa kigina kya muga wa county ya Meru.
And once I get that letter, then now all that will be submitted to the controller of budget when she's reviewing this matter. That is what we agreed with the controller of budget and the team from Meru, and that will be done possibly by next week.
Kulingana na waziri John Badi, kiri musema ni ulola dhikire gatigati kae thirikari ya kaunti ya Meru na mubangano kigina kia thirikari mwelekelano urajukirwa gutigira kaunti ya Meru ni kuona mpongeri ya milioni 100 kiri mpongeri ya muga wa kigina kia thirikari ja kaunti.
And we agreed that we would make a provision of 139 million in the county additional allocation of revenue bill of this year to just help make that payment.
Aidha maseneteri osenetwa kaunti ya Meru Kadhuri Murungi nibelithire wagaguba okethiro interest ile ongerekete kumana mbesa ino ikalewa ni thirikari nene kanoga tigore murigo na thinenge kire thirikari ya kaunti ya Meru. Mbadi akiuga thirikari ya ndia France niona nitewendi bagutethire kwali na kambuni no kunyia mbesa ile jumanite na interest ino na obisi na kigina kia thirikari ni ARITHI na waziri wa ngwatano gatigati kandi ya Kenya na ndingi kenda gutethire walanendia bubu.
Can you also inform this committee that also the accrued interest they will either pay or negotiate the waiver of that interest, because this document is very clear. So even if we leave Meru with the interest still hanging on the courts of Meru County, see, it's a problem, big problem.
There was the willingness from the French government to help us negotiate the interest, and so we observed that, and I committed as a CS National Treasury to engage with Ministry of Foreign Affairs to negotiate the interest, but we settled the principal sum from the national government.
Amwana ugo kagitagaka Mbadi ni alethite ontubobola ditete kuleta mpadho gatigati kandi ya Kenya na ndia France utongire bwande ya France bukithite kuingira mbesa ile kire miradi mingi ile dite na mbere ndia Kenya.
It was already a diplomatic issue. The French government, none other than the president of France, had raised this matter with His Excellency.